In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop a video on TikTok using CapCut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is open up my CapCut, and then from here, I'm just going to continue with an old project I've been working on. Or for you guys, if you need to click on new project, go ahead and click on new project and upload that video you want to cropped. So I'm just going to choose this old project. Now, in order to crop this video, I need to click on the video, and then at the bottom of the page here, we need to move this left to right and look for transform. So click on transform and then click on resize. So now we can resize this manually by pinching our fingers on the screen like so. We can move it around, zoom in, zoom out. You can have a play around like that. Or you got aspect ratios. So at the bottom it's custom. We can choose 9:16, 16:19, 1:1, 4:3, etc. So keep it 19:16. So if I want to crop the bottom off here, drag the corner like so. So if I'm happy with that, I can go ahead and click on save, click on the tick button. And now that's how you crop a video in TikTok, or a TikTok video in CapCut.